at Mini Mode Kids Fashion Week. I'm so excited to go inside and see what's happening and who's in there. So let's take a look. Just having my makeup done here, I'm so excited. Having their makeup and hair done. How cool does this look? I'm just about to go backstage into the dressing room, so follow me. Angel, doesn't she look lovely? Angel is a model here today. Have you done any modelling before, Angel?
No.
Is this your first time?
Yeah.
You must be so excited.
I am.
Oh. So what's your favourite part of your outfit? Can you show what's your favourite thing?
I like the bow and I like the strap.
I love the bow and the strap as well. Isn't it so pretty? But it all looks really good together, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Look beautiful. Well, thank you for talking to us today, Angel. We had so much fun. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. I'm here with Amanda Raybor and she is the founder of Mini Mode. Lovely to meet you.
It's phenomenal.
So exciting. Where do you get your ideas from?
For my brand, I suppose I kind of follow trends in some ways, but I try to come up with something original every time. So, you know, we're really big on prints and that makes us really unique and individual to other brands. So prints, doing our own textiles and creating, you know, visual images for t-shirts and stuff is our forte.
What's, in your opinion, what's the coolest thing about your job? What's your
coolest thing? You know what, I really love working with kids. Doing things like this is, to me, is just phenomenal. I love seeing kids in their element and I love seeing kids, you know, develop and grow with the brand as well. So I think working with the kids and inspiring them, because they inspire me.
What's your favourite trend right now? What's your favourite?
My favourite trend, well, everyone loves a ruffle.
Yeah.
I mean, the ruffles, they've almost had their day, but I've always kind of loved ruffles anyway.
Yeah.
I think print, you know, I think print is something that makes, even if you have a simple top and you put print on it, suddenly it's something, you know, fantastic.
Yeah.
So I've put quite a bit of velvet and chiffon into my collections with the print, and it's got these deep hues and it's just beautiful.
Thank you so much for answering those questions. Absolutely brilliant. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. I had so much fun today and thank you for everybody for having me here. Absolutely loved it. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the Girl Talk channel to see the rest of ours. See you next time. Bye.